Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Kirti and Shanaya Show. I'm Kirti
And I'm Shanaya.
and today we sisters are gonna make a blue bath bomb. So let's get started.
Now I'm going to make the dry mixture. For this I require some cornstarch, some baking soda, and some salt.
And I'm gonna make the wet mixture. And for this I require some water, some oil, some color, some food color, and some lemon juice.
Great!
Now we are gonna mix both the mixtures thoroughly. So slowly put some wet mixture in this. Okay.
Ooh, it sounds very nice.
So now our mixture is ready and we are gonna put them in the molds. So these are our molds and we are gonna give our bath bomb the shape of an ice cream.
Yes.
So our bath bombs are ready and we're gonna test them. Now leave it.